Like, how are they magnetic? Like, I don't have magnetic eyelids. I don't understand the science. What am I doing wrong? Hey YouTube, it's Karen San Diego, and today I'm coming to you with a video that makes me a little nervous, not gonna lie. And that is about these Eylure Luxe. Wait, it's like falling apart. Hold on. This is the box. Eylure Luxe magnetic milk effect. I can't read. Eylure Luxe magnetic mink effect lashes. It says it's easy to apply and no glue is needed. So, little backstory. I have never worn false lashes, not in public anyway. I don't know how. I never have. I just kind of always just rely on mascara to look cute, I guess, because lashes make me nervous. The one time I ever tried to put on fake lashes, I ended up just kind of looking like I had a spider just like sitting on my face, and it wasn't cute. It didn't look good at all. So these are kind of scary. Not gonna front, these are scary. And like, maybe because they're magnetic, like that makes it a little more interesting, but still, like, it's scary still. I don't know. So we're gonna try to do this, and I'm probably gonna fail, so don't laugh at me. But yeah, let's just, like, how are they magnetic? Like, I don't have magnetic eyelids, so I don't know how this is gonna work. It says click them on, flick them off, quick, easy, simple to apply and remove. So what? It says step 1 is to place them. Well, this is like the most confusing directions. Can you see that? Taking the top section of the magnetic lash. So let's get one out. So I think they go like here. So taking the top section of the magnetic lash, lay it on top of your natural lashes at the outer edge of your eye. Okay. So let's try this. So laying it, okay, nope, it came with this little thing, I guess, to help me put it on. So let's use that because I don't know how to do this. Okay, so I'm laying that here, right? Huh? I'm so confused. How is this supposed to stick? What are you connecting to? I think is it on? No, it's not. It's like hanging off. I don't understand the science. That isn't right. What am I doing wrong? Okay, there's like paper directions here. Let me take this off. Even though I feel like if it works, it'd be really cute. Let's read the actual, I don't know what I'm doing, child. Is this even directions? Where's English? It's the same ones as the ones on the box. So let me read it again. Taking the top section of the magnetic lash, lay magnetic lash. Oh, okay. I think I see what I'm doing. Take the top section of the magnetic lash, lay it on top of your natural lashes at the outer edge of your eye. Okay. We doing that. We gonna do it. We gonna do it. There. There. It's a struggle. Good enough. There, sort of. Use your applicator. Pick up the lower section. Okay. So now we got the lower section. Use section of the magnetic lash and place beneath your natural lashes. Oh. Now I get it. I don't know why when it said upper and lower in this, can you see that? I thought it meant like up here and like down there. So it's like I was ignoring the one that said lower because I figured it wasn't like important. But it is. Okay. I feel like once I get the hang of this, like it'll be so much easier. Let me try to do this without the little applicator thing. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely easier. No. It's God. Okay. I got the lower. This this clearly I've done something wrong. So let's try this again, because this is exactly what I was talking about with looking like I have a freaking spider on my face. So let's, ooh, it has like, oh, it's like stuck onto my actual eyelashes. Like, okay. All right, so now they're off again. And this I feel like is taking way longer than anticipated. So we're gonna try this again. I'm trying it with my tweezers this time instead of their little tool, because this seems like really difficult to handle. All right, put it there, put that there. And this on its own, I think is pretty cute. And then take the bottom and I'm gonna like lift this. Like this, I think is what this is supposed to look like. It doesn't look horrible. Like if you can see, it's kind of like lifting up on the side here, so it's not perfect. Let's just take that back off. And now like I'm losing track of like what's what. Oh God, these are so difficult to manage. I feel like ending this video and just calling this a fail because it's not working. I'm gonna try this one more time before I like completely write it off. So let's do this. I'm gonna put that on right at the bottom like this. And then drop it over here. I'm not good at this. And I see other people use stuff like this and it just works so easy. And for me, it's like the ultimate struggle. Back to the bottom. Okay, now that doesn't look horrible. Does that look bad? I don't think so. Okay. Now up close, if I can get close, if you look really close, I didn't put it on perfect over here, but at this point, like I genuinely cannot be bothered. That looks decent enough for me to continue. I don't know how to put on any lashes, so I think this would be a lot easier if you're someone who already like knows how to put on lashes, because I don't, right? Something's wrong. This is so frustrating. Okay, bottom lash for the win. Okay, I think I did that side a little better. So obviously this isn't perfect because this side is like lifting up, this side is, but like, what do you think? This was difficult, but I think like when done properly, this is a really good idea. It takes away all the mess of having to use glue. I just don't know what I'm doing, but I think like I really would give these like a 7 out of 10, and like it would be 10 out of 10 if it wasn't so damn difficult for me to figure it out. But even with like what I've done, I think this looks pretty decent. So like I like it. I would definitely continue trying to use this and do it again. What do you think? Let me know what you think about this look. It was difficult to get it to this point, but I did it. So let me know in the comments how you feel about this, and I'll see you in my next video.